In a very, very dramatic way, I think United Way really changed the thinking in this community about what it means to be a good neighbor.
We need organizations like United Way that can help us understand the bigger picture, the broader social needs of a community like Buffalo and Western New York.
The United Way just makes it really easy for us to show our enthusiasm, to show what we care about, and to help other people.
United Way makes it easy for people to participate, makes it easy for you to contribute and to get involved.
The work that United Way has done in the Western New York community is really unprecedented, and it just makes for a good work relationship.
One of the things that's been most impressive to me in working and partnering with United Way is how an organization like the United Way can help smaller organizations that on their own could never engage in the same level of fundraising.
We couldn't operate effectively or serve people effectively if we didn't have an entity in the community that was concerned about the basic human needs of society.
We have to commit to making sure that, we're doing everything that we possibly can to keep the community thriving.
Once we fulfill our obligation to represent our folks in the workplace, it is about the community that we live in, raising the community standards higher, not leaving anybody behind.
They assess the needs of the community, and they really take a very data-driven approach to figuring out where the biggest community needs are, listening to community organizations and constituencies to hear from them directly, and then putting forward a plan to address those needs.
Changes bring new challenges. And I think United Way is in a really good position to meet the new challenges that we're going to face over the next 100 years.
I hope that your organization, our organization, has another 100 years of wonderful work in front of it.
We're very proud of our partnership with the local United Way here in Buffalo and Erie County, and the fact that they've been a safety net in the community for 100 years, I think is a major milestone.
I know that in the last 100 years, United Way has made a huge difference in helping move our community forward. I expect that, the next 100 years, United Way in partnership with this whole community is going to help bring us forward even farther.